How to change your name on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your name on TikTok. So the first thing you want to do is simply go to your TikTok application on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. Now once you're logged in, simply go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now your profile page will be opened where, as you can see, this on the top side is your name and this which is after the @ is your username. So your name and your username are two different things. Now in order to change both of them, simply tap on the option edit profile. After that, it will give you the two options. You can either change your name or you can change your username. Now if you want to change your name, simply tap on the name and then make changes to your name. So for now, I'll simply add a space between my first name and my last name. Now once you've done that, simply tap on the save option on the top right corner of your screen. But remember one thing, you can only change your name once every 7 days. So meaning, if you change your name today, you won't be able to change it for the next 7 days, and only after the next 7 days you will be able to change your TikTok name once again. Now once you're okay with that, tap on the save option on the top right corner of your screen and then it will ask you the same confirmation. So tap on confirm and there you have it. That is basically how you change your name on TikTok. And if you want to change your username, the process is same. Simply tap on username and then you will be able to change your TikTok username from there. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.